Welcome to the diaries, the Christmas diaries of a girl who is still just figuring it out, you know? Wow. Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first festive vlog of the year. I had a bit of a crash out last night. As many of you guys know, this year I literally like restarted my entire life kind of. I just like really did a complete 180. I was living abroad for 6 years. End of last year, I decided that it was time to wrap it up. I also wrapped up a 4-year relationship last year, and my life right now, like this December, it just looks completely different from last December. All that is to say is I literally just realized that I own a shoebox of Christmas decor, and like it's not about the physicality of it, it's about the fact that like I really did like start over. So welcome to the diaries, the Christmas diaries of a girl who is still just figuring it out. Don't have many holiday traditions. I'm in this apartment alone, and that's okay. And I wanted to kind of just like make this little mini series on my channel this year so that maybe some of you could relate to it. Now, even though this is my first Christmas living alone as a single girl in like 5+ years, I could not be more thrilled about it, because you know what's really fun? You get to call most of the shots and make traditions by yourself. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing in this video. I'm going to take you guys decor shopping. We're gonna put some decor up. We're gonna surround ourselves with people that make us feel happy and full. And I'm just really looking forward to bring you guys along for the next few days. So on the agenda for today, I actually have a thing of work that I need to wrap up real quick on my computer, but right after that, we are going to at home because we need some more decor. Okay, I literally have a tiny shoebox you guys will see later. I'm so excited, you guys, because this year on my channel, I'm gonna be posting a festive video every Sunday leading up until Christmas. So hi, welcome to the first one. And once again, I just wanna say thank you so much for clicking on this video and being here on my channel. I love having you guys here, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you join our family, turn on your post notifications. Also, do we like my pajamas? They are from Victoria's Secret. Okay, let me show you guys the current situation around here. So here's what we are working with. I was able to get a Christmas tree put up. So here's our new little tree. It's from Amazon, a very simple, cheap pencil tree that is 7 feet, I think is the one I ordered, because my ceilings are pretty high. So that's gonna get decorated. You guys, I actually brought a puzzle back from Korea, a Christmas puzzle that I got from Daiso. I'm very excited about that. I got that little green festive blanket from Target recently. And then, I don't know if you guys noticed, I took the lamp away. The standing lamp is no more. It didn't feel good in the space anymore. I just kind of like was ready for something that felt better. So instead, I would like to get some kind of table lamp and just have that for now, because table lamps are great. You can just move them around and they're not as big of a statement, I feel like. So hopefully going to find one of those. Oh my goodness, I did not have the chance to show you guys this yet. I actually thrifted this little side table thing. It was just sitting in the lobby of my apartment building with a free sign on it. And I was like, you know what? I have been wanting to have something for this space. I usually wouldn't buy this, but it doesn't look bad in my opinion. Like, I like it. And now we just have to go about probably getting a nice big mirror to cover up the little electrical box, I think, or maybe art. I'm not really sure. And then besides that, kitchen is looking the same. I've got some fall stuff up there that's gonna have to get taken down today. Good old trusty Mrs. Meyer's gingerbread soap and spray. I don't know if any of you guys remember in Korea, I would order this stuff during the holidays, literally from Amazon in the US all the way to Korea, because I just loved it that much, and it is just like so nostalgic. And I don't know, when you live abroad, nostalgic smells like this just make your whole day. So very glad to have a nice easy access. Oh, it's so cute and intricate. Wow. This is so cute for like a little girl's Christmas room. So cute. So I've really been wanting to get a nutcracker. This one's really cute too. Cute, oh my gosh, this little Good afternoon. I have had such a lovely morning so far, even though it was mostly filled with work. I really enjoyed my little holiday matcha moment. Also, our shopping excursion yesterday evening, 10 out of 10. Don't you guys love when you go shopping and you just come home feeling super accomplished? I did not spend, I think, more than $100, and I got a really awesome lamp, my nutcracker, some other little things. You guys will see what I end up doing with that stuff later. But I just got some packages, and I think, is this what I think it is? Yes. My string lights came in. I already have some, but I didn't have enough. So I wanted to wait to decorate the tree just until I had enough lights. So we will definitely be doing that tonight. I also got, what else in the mail? I got some stuff for just like winter cooking and baking. I was out of Italian seasoning. I use this so much. And then I am gonna try to make gingerbread this year all by myself. Like I wanna make it from scratch, and this is one of the ingredients that you need that I didn't have. And I also got this, which is a really cute sweater. I'm so excited to wear this to a holiday get together I'm going to in like a week or so. But this sweater, I've always wanted something cute that has like a cute little neckline that isn't too baggy, and I love it. This is the type of thing I'm gonna wear with like skinny jeans and some cute little booties. This is from the brand Dokotoo. I have shared a bit about them before on my channel before, but their clothes are honestly like, I would say probably 50% of what I've been wearing this fall and winter. My waffle knits are all from Dokotoo. This cardigan is from Dokotoo. It's like a bunch of capsule style layering pieces. So for example, this little cardigan, sometimes I will wear this when I'm going into like a workout class and I just want to stay warm, or I'll just wear it around in my house casually. Like I'm literally wearing this with yoga pants. As I'm sure some of you guys know, I really don't share clothes on my channel much, or links for clothes, just because I am so picky. But I promise you, these are like my go-to capsule wardrobe cardigans. I wear them every day. They're from the Wooltidra line, so they're made with 6% wool. Literally some of the softest fabric I've ever felt. I still don't understand how they make it so breathable yet so warm at the same time. I am obsessed. Literally the perfect cut. It's like, oh my gosh, it's the perfect cut. It still shows off your figure. You guys know I'm all about that capsule wardrobe life. I pretty much transitioned to a capsule wardrobe a couple years ago, and these pieces are all great because I can just make so many different outfits with them, and they're perfect because like they keep you warm, but they're not bulky. Also, one other piece that I really want to encourage some of you guys to get, if you live in a milder climate like where I live in North Carolina. I mean, it gets cold. It gets to the 30s here. This coat from Dokotoo is so perfect. It's like my layering jacket. I'm gonna wear it on my evening stroll that I'm gonna go on soon. But this is the perfect layering jacket, and it does not make you feel bulky. This one is quite literally perfect, and it has the elastic, so it keeps you nice and warm, but then also it's nice because it kind of shows off your bottom a little bit if you want to look like cute. Also, all of these pieces are machine washable, and from my experience with ordering, everything is pretty much true to size. I have stuff from like almost all of their collections, and I've always had a great sizing experience. So thank you so much to Dokotoo for partnering with me on this video. I'll have all the pieces linked below. If you are someone like how I used to be, if it's like really hard for you to put outfits together, I really encourage you just starting some kind of small capsule closet, just like with simple pieces like this. It makes life so easy. Like getting ready in the morning, super easy when you just have a bunch of basics. All right, we are about to go on a hot girl winter festive holiday walk, because let me tell you, number one, we need the endorphins. Please, if you have time in your day, get out for a walk. Even if it's just 10 minutes, your brain will release endorphins. But I want to show you guys, it is so festive around where I live. I live in a little city called Durham. It's right like next to Raleigh, North Carolina. It's like historically a area that there were a lot of tobacco factories here back in the day, and the city has kind of like refurbished a lot of the area. So it has like a very cool vintage vibe where I live, but then there's also a whole modern vibe to it. Really cannot emphasize enough though, if you guys are, you know, living that solo, alone life like me and you don't have anyone to walk with, get out, get your walk, because we need stuff like that to feel good. All right, let's head out, feel some of the festive vibes, and then we are gonna come home and decorate for Christmas. So festive. pretty here. It is finally time for us to decorate for Christmas. I am so excited. I mean, I really don't have that much stuff. You guys will see in just a moment. But the stuff that I do have, I'm excited to see how it all looks up in our little new apartment. I'm very peckish. I have not had dinner yet. I'm gonna eat after we decorate, and I'm really excited for dinner. But I thought we could have a little snack while we decorate, and this is the busha I brought back from Korea. If you guys ever have the chance to try this at H Mart, get it. It's like pretty much it's like a ramen noodle snack. Looks like this. So good. All right, so tree is up, but obviously has a lot of work to do. We're gonna decorate it, probably get a few pillows on here. I'm sure you guys have been doing just normal things in life before, and you get all these random sudden memories from a previous time that just come back. Well, that happened to me while I was decorating my tree. It just reminded me of not only just like all the, you know, quiet and kind of lonely holidays that I had in Korea, but it really reminded me of the one I had last year. And I just remember in my house this time last year when I was living abroad, I knew in my heart that it was time for me to start a new chapter. It is so wild to think how different my life is right now. I get a lot of Instagram messages from people who are in similar situations. They're, you know, in their late 20s or no matter what age, and they are just trying to make a big change. And the thing I always tell them is it's gonna be so scary at first. Like, it's not gonna be an easy decision. It's gonna be a scary one. But what you have to remember is, like, a lot of times in life, it's the scary changes that bring the best results. So I just wanted to say that in case anyone needed to hear it, because I know this time last year when I was decorating my tree, I could have definitely used that encouragement. Okay, everything is looking so lovely so far. Let me show you. This is a little snow globes book I have, and I put it out to the little Rockettes page. How adorable. And the tree is looking great. I've got Cleo's little stocking. And now I'm gonna put my makeshift skirt. This is the same thing I did last year, and I actually shipped this blanket from Korea. But you guys, I'm so glad I packed and sent all of my ornaments from abroad, because it's just so nice having all of my little like memories. I remember getting these in Shinsegae. I remember making this in my apartment last year with my friend. Cheers to us and our solo little Christmas holiday season. Yeah, it's a whole last season we have here alone, and it's great. So cheers, guys. I think I'm actually gonna wrap up with my blanket.
To dinner.
Got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. Good morning. It is actually very early right now. It's not even like 7:30. I just got back inside from my walk with Cleo, changed back into my pajamas, and I got a package which was sent by my friend in Korea. Yebi, who has the same breed of dogs I do. Some of you guys remember her. Like, what the heck? I'm so, like, this was very unexpected. She said it's an early Christmas present. So I was like, how fun if we open up our first Christmas present on the vlog. What? Oh my, Cleo, you've got an upgrade. So freaking cute. I'm obsessed with the color. Okay, this is such an upgrade from our other like subtle baby pink. Come on, let's throw her on. Later on that day, I spent the evening at the Durham Hotel. They were super kind and hosted one of my friends and I to check out their little holiday room that they have. But you guys, just the older I'm getting, the more I realize how important it is that we water our friendships because, you know, life moves so quickly and we're all in different phases of life. A lot of my friends here are actually moms, and just going out of my way to carve out the time to make sure that I am seeing all of my friends and maintaining those friendships has just like, I feel like done so many great things for me this year. And I'm so glad that's something I placed high importance on. So maybe this could be your sign if there is a friend that you've been meaning to call or text or just like set up some kind of holiday evening plan or card exchange with. Do it, because ultimately our days are only getting shorter. That's good. If y'all missed some of my recent content, then you might not know I was actually just in Korea for work / also meeting a ton of friends, and I didn't do a whole lot of shopping for myself while I was there. But one of the things I did definitely stock up on is a bunch of stuff from Osolok, which is the green tea farm in Jeju. I brought back a bunch of powder and snacks, and I've just been really loving having my little matcha latte. Going to my Sunday morning Pilates soon. I'm filming this clip on the day that this vlog is going up, on Sunday, December 7th. Oh my gosh, it's already December 7th. That's crazy. I am gonna go ahead and wrap the vlog up here, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is just really just such a fun, different time in my life. As I talked a little bit about it in this video, you know, things looked very different this time last year. I'm very curious, what were you guys up to this time last year? What are you up to now? And do you think your life is gonna change a lot in the next year? Or do you feel like you are pretty leveled out for the time being? Overall though, I had such a good past few days. I also went to see Wicked too. I wanted to ask, what are y'all's thoughts on it? I liked it. The only thing is that I kind of feel like it was a lot going on at once. Like, I feel like I had a bit of a trouble following the storyline, and I definitely preferred how part 1 was like the musical and had more music in it. Anyways, I'm just rambling now, so I'm gonna go. I love you guys so much. I hope everyone has an amazing upcoming week. We still have a few more weeks left of December. Let me know what you guys are up to. I'm gonna enjoy this matcha, get this vlog wrapped up and edited, go to my workout, and enjoy my Sunday. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in the next vlog. Bye guys.